Seniors, imagine waking up tomorrow without that constant numbness or tingling in your legs. Imagine being able to walk freely without that dull, burning sensation, without the fear of losing your balance. It's not just a dream, it's possible. There are two powerful vitamins that could change the way you feel, that could restore the vital blood flow to your legs and transform the way you experience your day-to-day life. The best part? This isn't a miracle. It's science. It's research-backed, simple, and something you can start today. As we age, many of us face a range of health challenges that seem inevitable. One of the most common yet misunderstood issues that seniors face is poor circulation, particularly in the legs. If you've been dealing with numbness, tingling, or even the sensation of your legs feeling heavy, you are not alone. It's a condition that affects millions, but the good news is that it's not something you have to accept. Today, I want to share with you a natural, effective, and simple solution that can help restore the blood flow in your legs and bring back the sensation and comfort you deserve. Seniors, if you've ever felt like your legs are betraying you, it's time to change that. The answer isn't another pill that simply masks the issue or makes you dizzy. It's a real, natural solution backed by science, involving two specific vitamins that work together to help your body restore and repair itself. The vitamins I'm talking about are vitamin B12 and vitamin B6, specifically their active forms, methylcobalamin and pyridoxal 5-phosphate, P5P. These two vitamins have been proven to not only relieve discomfort, but to actively help repair nerve damage and improve circulation, which can make all the difference in how your legs feel day after day. First, let's understand why this happens. As we age, circulation can become sluggish and nerve function may decline. Our legs, being further from our hearts, are especially vulnerable to this. You may notice that your feet feel cold or that you have trouble feeling certain textures underfoot. This is a result of poor blood flow, and in many cases, nerve damage due to a lack of nutrients, poor circulation, or conditions like diabetes. When circulation slows, oxygen and nutrients cannot reach the muscles and tissues in your legs, which is why you experience numbness, tingling, and pain. Now let's talk about vitamin B12, specifically methylcobalamin. This form of B12 is the active version your body needs to get to work immediately, without any need for conversion in your liver. This vitamin plays an essential role in the formation of red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout the body, including your legs. The more oxygen your body can deliver to your tissues, the better your circulation will be. Methylcobalamin also helps repair the myelin sheath, the protective covering of your nerves. This is crucial because as we age, the myelin sheath naturally begins to deteriorate, leading to the misfiring of nerves. This results in the tingling, numbness, and burning sensations that many seniors experience in their legs. By taking methylcobalamin, you can begin to restore that protective coating, which allows your nerves to function properly once again. In clinical studies, people with nerve damage who took methylcobalamin saw up to a 64% reduction in numbness and tingling compared to just 18% in those who didn't. Imagine that. By simply adding this vitamin to your routine, you could see significant improvements in how your legs feel. But that's not all. Vitamin B6, specifically in its active form as pyridoxal 5-phosphate, P5P, works hand-in-hand with B12 to create a synergistic effect. While B12 works on rebuilding the protective nerve coating and opening blood vessels, B6 focuses on your body's neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that help your nerves communicate. This is incredibly important because without proper communication, even healthy nerves can't send the right signals to your brain, which is why you still feel numbness or discomfort. Vitamin B6 also helps break down homocysteine, a compound that can damage blood vessels and make circulation worse. So not only does B6 help restore the flow of blood, but it actively helps protect your blood vessels from further damage. Let me share with you a powerful story of a senior named Margaret, a 67-year-old woman who came to me with severe nerve damage in her legs. For over 3 years, she hadn't been able to feel the bottom of her feet. She was terrified of walking, and every step she took felt unsteady. She had even fallen twice, breaking her wrist in the process. Like many seniors, she was prescribed medications like gabapentin, but the dizziness it caused made her feel more unsafe than ever. When I started Margaret on methylcobalamin at 2,000 micrograms per day and P5P at 50 milligrams per day, the changes weren't immediate. At first, she didn't notice much difference, but by week 6, something miraculous happened. She could feel the carpet under her feet when she got out of bed, a sensation she hadn't had in years. By the 3rd month, she had stopped using gabapentin entirely and was back to walking freely, volunteering at her church, and even going on a cruise with her husband. Her story is just one example of how these vitamins can transform your life when you take the right approach. Now, I'm sure you're wondering how to get started. First, you need to ensure that you're choosing the right form of these vitamins. Look for methylcobalamin for B12 and pyridoxal 5-phosphate P5P for B6, as these are the forms that your body can use directly without needing to convert them. The right dosage is also crucial. To see real, therapeutic results, you'll want to take at least 1,000 to 2,000 micrograms of methylcobalamin daily and 50 to 100 milligrams of P5P. Anything less may just be a maintenance dose, not enough to repair your nerves or improve blood flow. Here's your action plan. Take these vitamins every morning with breakfast. Starting the day with these nutrients will give your body the support it needs to begin healing. And don't forget to track your progress. Keep a journal of your symptoms and how they improve over time. Whether it's less burning at night, fewer trips to the bathroom, or finally being able to feel the floor beneath your feet, every little victory counts. The biggest mistake many people make is giving up too soon. Nerve repair takes time. It didn't take a few weeks for your legs to reach this point, and it won't take a few weeks to fix them. The real magic happens around week 6 to 12. It's during this time that you'll see the transformation begin to unfold. It's like planting a seed and nurturing it until it finally grows. If, by week 12, you're not seeing any changes, it might be time to talk to your doctor about getting a blood test to check your B12 and B6 levels. But in most cases, after 90 days, you'll begin to experience real relief. Seniors, this is not just another fad or quick fix. This is a scientifically supported approach that can transform your health and restore your vitality. By taking the right vitamins in the right dosages and sticking with it, you give your body the tools it needs to heal itself. This isn't magic, but it is effective. Remember, your body is still capable of healing. You've been through a lifetime of experiences, and you deserve to feel your best as you continue to age gracefully. Don't let poor circulation or nerve damage rob you of your joy and independence. Take action today. Your future self will thank you. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to the Seniors Hub. We're here to support you on your journey to better health. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and leave a comment below. Tell us how long you've been dealing with circulation issues or any questions you have about these vitamins. Together, we can improve the quality of our lives, one step at a time.